Good morning. Welcome back to the 13th installment of the Sanibel Mile Maker series. We are following the small green signs that are placed in half-mile increments along the beach. The signs are only about a foot tall and are normally tucked up in the sea oats and grasses at the top of the beach. They can be quite hard to spot. Please keep off the vegetation because the grasses and plants prevent beach erosion and they are home to a multitude of wildlife. Beach mile marker 0 is down at the lighthouse. In this part, we will cover the portion of the beach that sits between mile markers 6 to 6.5. West Gulf Drive runs behind this section. Let me show you this delightful stretch. Mile marker 6 sits about 75 yards to the west of West Wind Inn. You'll find it beachfront of a house with a blue metal roof. There are 25 privately owned homes on this stretch of beach. Sit back and soak up the sun, sea and sand along the way. And here we find ourselves at beach mile marker 6.5. If you would like to reach this spot by road, you can ride your bike and park it at the beach parking access number 1, which is just past number 3705 West Gulf Drive. You can then walk down the public path. The parking spots are reserved for Sanibel residents with an A parking sticker. There are normally less people on this beach, so it might be worth the journey to get here. That perfect seashell might just be waiting to be found. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one. Hello. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe to the channel and be sure to click on the bell icon to be notified of new releases. Thanks again. Come and join me on the next one.